Hey guys, what I have here is the Huawei P30, not the Huawei P30 Pro, which is probably more common, I would say. Certainly on YouTube, you see more reviews of the Pro version. I do think that this does deserve a closer look. Now, in comparison to the Pro version, you do lose wireless charging. You don't get 40 watt charging, you get 22 watt charging, which is still pretty good. The battery life is slightly less because it's got a smaller battery, but it is a smaller form factor as well. So, you know, you kind of have to weigh these things up. It still has a triple camera, doesn't have the periscope cam, but in my opinion, having looked at a lot of comparison shots between them, yes, the Pro version is better, but it's not night and day. And this is more affordable. Here in the UK, I managed to pick this up for $276 from O2 Refresh. It comes with a free watch, which sells for £180. And it also comes with a free gift, like speakers, an action cam, or headphones. Now, I don't want to bore you with specs too much. There's nothing on the box here, but if you do look on the website, you know, you can check all the different features of the specs, etc. And you can check GSM Arena as well. Check that out. Let me know what you think about it. You can go through all the specs and see what is important to you. But what I would like to do in this video is unbox it, show you the phone, show you what's inside the box, and give you my first impressions. So here we go. This is the Huawei P30, and this is what it looks like when you get it. That's it there. Now this is the Aurora colour. I actually like the kind of orange-red one that you can get, but you know, I obviously have to take this label off, but my first impressions, you know, this actually looks like quite a nice little colour. It kind of changes a little bit, doesn't it, when you look at it? So I'll come back to that in a second and show you the phone, but I just want to quickly show you what else you get in the box. Here you get the SIM card ejector. Inside, it looks like we get some manuals. We've got a quick start guide. We've got a warranty card. Yeah, I'm not sure many people will refer to that. Nothing else in the box, as the magicians say. We have a 3-prong UK adapter, which is quite good. And it's taped up, which is why I couldn't get it out there. If I zoom in here, okay, where are we here? So input, it's saying output 5 volts. Yeah, so a 5 volt connector, that's the plug there. If I take this off, so very simple, this pops out. I have a Huawei tablet, so I'm kind of used to the plug. It's pretty good. So next we have the USB Type-C cable. It's okay quality, but I also know that from experience, I do prefer braided cables. They tend to last longer, but I really do like this kind of purple colour scheme they've got going on here. I'm not sure if that's coming through, but it's really nice actually. A little thing, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And then we've got headphones, because this does have a headphone jack. So there's a lot of phone companies that don't throw that in, but you know, I'm maybe call me old school, but I think that when you're spending a few £100s, a few $100s on a phone, the least they can do is throw in some cheap headphones. So just to kind of summarize what you get, you've got the quick start guide and the warranty in there. You've got your headphones, you've got your USB Type-C cable, you've got your 3-prong UK adapter, and of course the piece de resistance, we've got the phone. So I'll clear everything out the way here, just so we get a closer look at the phone. So this is the phone, and this is one of the reasons why I like doing a kind of unboxing live. It's because you get to see my true reaction when I take everything off. So, So it looks like we've got, it's like a screen protector on there as well. Just now, I'll leave that on just now. Wow. Sorry, I'll get that in the shot there. I zoomed in a little bit too much. Wow, I'm really happy with that. I went for this version because the black version looked a little bit too reflective, and you know, I've kind of had a lot of black phones in the past. This looks a lot better in person than I thought it would look like. You know, I've looked at some images in this and I wasn't too sure of this, but this is really nice. In fact, I'll probably go for a clear case to show it off. It's that nice. So there's the cameras on the back as well. I can show you that. Very, very nice design. So I'll switch that on there. So you've got the power button here, volume rocker. Power button is in a very, very good position, something which drove me crazy with the Samsung S10 Plus. We've got the headphone jack at the bottom, and my old Poco phone was actually at the top. I really don't care which side it's on, if I'm honest. USB Type-C and a single speaker. This side, we've got the SIM card. Someone corrected me, it's like a nano card rather than a micro SD card slot, but yeah, that's at the side. We've got the teardrop camera there, and we've got a microphone at the top as well. And if I take off my Poco phone, I mean, look at the differences. It's important to realize this has got, like, I think this is, if I double check this is a 6.1 inch screen, and this is like a 6.2. But when you actually look at these, you can see here, because of the, if I get this open, because of the larger bezels, zoom down, because of the larger bezels on my Poco phone, this larger form factor, you know, the phone isn't that much, you know, the screen isn't that much bigger despite being a larger phone. And, you know, I never had a problem with the size of the Poco phone, but I must admit, this is a really, really nice size. I'm really pleased with this. I'm really pleased with the purchase. Yeah, you know, obviously I do need to spend some time. I need to spend some time getting used to the phone and trying it out and all that kind of thing. I will go through all that and show you the Huawei operating system, show you what it's all about in another video. And this one, I really just wanted to show you what was in the box. But first impressions are that this is actually one of the nicest, kind of sexiest phones I've bought in a while. This is really nice, really, really nice design. Maybe, you know, everyone's not going to be a fan of this kind of thing. Some people might prefer a solid colour. It's thin, it's light, and yeah, it looks pretty good. It's important to note as well, I talked about some differences earlier on with the P30 Pro. The P30 Pro has a kind of edge screen, kind of what you're used to with Samsung phones. This is flat. This has got a bezel round the side, and I must say, I prefer it. Some people love the edge screen. They love the fact that you know, there's no bezels at the side here. I quite like this. I like the fact that it's like this. It's a personal thing, but I do like it. Please stay tuned. I will do another video where I'll show you what this is all about as far as the OS, and just show you some things I like about it, show the camera app, show you the settings and all that. But thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this phone, please do leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to address them in a future video. Until next time, guys, take care.